Hello guys and welcome back to S.T.A.L.K.E.R tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to enter the locked house, which is right over there, to talk to the brood bandits in Stalker 2. And all you have to do is come over to the crane, I guess, come over back to the red container, jump inside, make your way over here, and then once you are in, crouch in, just make your way to the top, just jump twice. And then you basically just want to follow that route, and then you can go ahead and easily enter the area. I guess make sure you're not too over encumbered, otherwise it will be hard for you to make the jump, but just make it like that, and then you can just follow this route, and then you will be able to enter the house without any issues whatsoever. So yeah, that should basically be it. And then look, as you can see, you just follow the straight line, you can enter the house easily. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.